Bluey and Bingo were racing through the backyard when a flash of rainbow lightning split the sky. Bingo gasped, "Did you see that?" Bluey's tail wagged, "That wasn't thunder, that was magic." Suddenly, boom, a shimmering portal swirled open. Out trotted not one, not two, but a whole herd of My Little Ponies, their manes sparkling like starlight. Could this really be happening? Rainbow Dash zoomed overhead, wind blasting through the yard. Twilight Sparkle landed gracefully, her horn glowing. Bingo squealed, "Ponies can talk." Twilight smiled, "Of course we can. And we need your help." Bluey tilted her head, "Us? Two pups helping ponies?" Suddenly, crash, the ground shook as dark storm clouds rolled in, shaped like a giant roaring beast. Hook after hook, was it chasing them? Applejack stomped her hooves, that storm critter's stealing all our colors. The ponies' bright coats flickered, dimming. Bluey's eyes widened, "We can't let that happen." Bingo cheered, "We'll fight together." Could pups and ponies team up for the ultimate showdown? They formed a wild plan. Twilight cast a shield, Rainbow Dash looped the sky, Applejack bucked thunderbolts, and Bingo bounced to distract. But the storm beast roared, blasting a wave of dark wind. Bluey stood tall, shouting, "We're stronger than fear." She grabbed a glowing ribbon dropped from Rarity's mane, spinning it like a lasso. Whoosh, the ribbon wrapped the storm, crackling with light. The ponies shouted in unison, "Friendship is magic." A brilliant rainbow shot across the sky, blasting the beast apart. Boom, dark clouds vanished, leaving the sky clear and glowing. Every pony's color returned brighter than ever. Bluey and Bingo laughed, manes and tails flying in rainbow sparks. Could magic ever feel this real? Twilight bowed, "You pups are true friends." Rainbow Dash fist bumped Bluey's paw, fast and fearless. Bingo hugged Fluttershy, who whispered, "Thank you." The herd trotted back into the portal, leaving one shimmering feather in Bluey's paw. Bluey held it high and winked at us. If that made your heart race as much as ours, give us a like, hit subscribe, and join us for the next magical adventure.